Hi everyone, Stampin' Creates here to share with you the unboxing of my paper pumpkin. This is the December 2019 Something for Everything, which I have already seen people doing unboxings. I was a little bit late in receiving mine this month, as were a lot of people. Stampin' Up! Did inform us early that this paper pumpkin may come a little bit late, but with the holidays and everything, I'm just getting to it now, which is okay, because I've seen a lot of ideas with it. So this this is for December 2019, if I hadn't mentioned that, we get the terracotta tile Stampin' Spot, which is just like our standard, just like our standard ink pads, but it's just a little bit smaller. It's perfect for using with your Stamparatus, and it's perfect for taking on the go. Normally I just use my large terracotta tile unless I were to take this and go somewhere, which I'm not going anywhere anytime soon that I know of. So anyhow, we have a really nice stamp set. I know it's probably hard for you to see all the fun sentiments, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I believe, stamps. And they pretty much cover everything from love you lots to thank you. And they're all upside down going different ways. Good luck. Mr. and Mrs., you're the best. It's your day. Hey friend, just because, so very sorry. Feel better soon. Let's celebrate. Happy birthday. Congratulations. And I don't know, did I say good luck, thank you? I think so. And then these triple little flowers here. So real nice stamp set, super large too. It's a big one this month, and it's great. It's a really nice font. It's like a typewriter font, and they're really, really nice in size. And of course, they're photopolymer, as is every paper pumpkin kit that Stampin' Up! Sends you. If you're not a subscriber yet to Paper Pumpkin, I'm trying to do this and talk at the same time. Kind of like walking and chewing gum. Doesn't always work for me. Anywho, if you're not yet a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, be sure to subscribe by the 10th of the month in order to receive that month's subscription. You can do it on a month-by-month basis, 3, 6, or 12 months. By doing it in multiple months, you do a little savings. And if you sign up in January after the 3rd during celebration, with each $50 purchase, you'll receive a free celebration item. And when you get up to $150, you can get also the host benefits. So that's a great time to wait till after January 3rd to sign up for Paper Pumpkin. And if you choose, you can stop any month that you'd like. If maybe you're going to be going away and you didn't want to receive it for that month, then you certainly can put a hold on it and it will resume the following month, which is great. Or for some reason, you know, we do kind of get a little bit of a sneak peek as to what it's going to be. So if you kind of feel like it's not going to be your fancy, which I cannot believe that anyone would ever do that, because there's so many alternative projects and ideas you can do other than what it was intended for, you are able to go ahead and do that as well. So totally up to you. I feel like a string or something. You know how that is. So here we have some beautiful rhinestones, and there are 2 different sizes, it looks like, and they're really pretty. They're almost like a champagne color, so those are fun. We have our Stampin' Dimensionals, and oh, excuse me, it's been a long day, and these are actually just like the ones you can purchase. They are the standard size. We also have minis that you can purchase along with these. You can purchase, they come in a full sheet. But they used to give us ones that weren't Stampin' Up! Ones, but these look like they are. Okay, so it looks like we have some envelopes here. Now this kit, it will make 12 different cards. Here are the envelopes, and I like what they did this time. They put the actual design on the flap of the envelope. A lot of times they have it on the inside, which is nice, but on the flap when you go to send it, it looks really nice, and that is a terracotta color there too. So they are all the same. So put those aside. Next, we have some foil sheets, and Hello, I can see you. You'll see the reflection of my iPad up above. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are nice heavyweight. These are stickers. So you can just peel them off that way. Now, when you're using these and you've used them all up, you have a lot of space here that you can use your punches to use every last little bit of these. So be sure to do that. And here we have our card bases. And look how pretty these are. This has a little bit of a polka dot, and then the back of it, or you can switch it around. Yep, the inside is just white. So it folds like this. You can use it this way. You can use it this way. Or what I'm going to do to double my kit, I'm going to actually cut this in half and use it for layering and things. And then this way I can just add some Whisper White cardstock. And my 12 cards then becomes 24. So can you see the value in this? It's just $22 a month plus the shipping. So it's a great value. So we have 4 of those, and then we have these real pretty flowers. And look at that terracotta color. I love that. So we have 4 of those, and then this is shaded spruce with, looks like almost an old olive to me, but look how pretty that is. This is very masculine-like, so don't think just because you're seeing flowers and, you know, golds and rhinestones that it has to be just for men. But I'm going to come up with some alternative projects. I mean, just for women. Alternative projects for men, too. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these very thick, heavyweight, self-adhesive stickers. And it looks like there are more than enough to complete the cards, so which Stampin' Up! Is always very generous. And then we have 2 sheets of some banners. So these have a pretty foil edge on them. And these are all certain, they have like a border going around them, all in gold. So real pretty, pretty. And then you get a piece of cardstock. What do you call it? My mind always goes blank. Chipboard. Hello. That you can use for something. And of course, there is my dog. And here's your instruction sheet. It gives you real pretty clear pictures. If you don't want to read anything, you can open this up and just follow along with the black and white instructions. There's also a video that Stampin' Up! Puts out every single month, and that's already out there. So just go to the Paper Pumpkin website on YouTube, well, the YouTube site, or paperpumpkin.com, and you can check out the video. So here are some alternative projects already. So for the year 2020, I'm going to be coming up with, I'm going to try to do cards, I'm going to try to do 3D items, and I'm going to get some memory keeping, aka scrapbooking, projects as well using this kit. But Stampin' Up's already given me a little bit of inspiration there, and here it tells you everything that's in your kit, and of course your samples, which there's quite a lot of product in there. Now the coordinating colors are Crushed Curry, Grapefruit Grove, Old Olive, okay, so I was right, Shaded Spruce, and the Terracotta Tile. So yeah, this is going to be really fun. There's all the social media areas that you can go and check out Paper Pumpkin. There's also a Facebook page for Paper Pumpkin subscribers. And this is going to be a really fun kit. Now, I believe what's been happening lately is if you're not yet a subscriber, you're not able to purchase this kit unless you were. So if you're a subscriber, you can go back in, and if there are any additional kits available, you are able to purchase them. So another great idea, another great reason to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. So it does say do more with this month's kit. Your Paper Pumpkin kit arrives every month with a fun, easy project complete with instructions, but switching it up and making it your own can be half the fun. Use your imagination plus coordinating products from Stampin' Up! To create alternate projects like the ones shown above. You can go to stampinup.com/paperpumpkin. Is that a dash? Yes, dash coordination to see a list of the coordinating products that match this month's kit, which is really, really great. And there it is there. All the different links, find more of Paper Pumpkin. So while they suggest creating these cards, you certainly can do whatever it is that you like to do. So thank you so much, and I feel this. I feel a sneeze coming on. I apologize for that, but life happens, right? So anyhow, if you'd like to subscribe, go on over to my online store at www.stampandsuecreates.stampinup.net, and be sure to click on Paper Pumpkin. Or if you'd like to sign on my team, starting in January, we're offering a great promotion for just $99 with about $200 worth of products. $125 worth of product is of your choice, which is a great time to join, especially during celebration, because of all the extra goodies you receive in your starter kit. Whether you want to sell, buy for yourself, be a savvy shopper by saving yourself 20 to 25% a month or per order, and then venture out to sell. It's totally up to you, but it's not required. So everyone, thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again real soon. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell where you'll receive notifications when I upload new videos. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.